Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today maintained that mutual respect, understanding and equal development as prerequisite factors for bringing unity among communities in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren was speaking during 42nd General Conference of Maralui Karalimai Suijoikang MKS. During the program, Chief Minister N. Biren also laid foundation stone for key projects such as construction of rigid pavement in Senapati District Headquarters, which is to be carried out with a cost of 27.26 crore rupees, boys and girls hostel for tribals at Maram, tourist circuit in Maram area, multi-purpose indoor hall, sports ground with gallery, infrastructure development of Maram police station, infrastructure creation of CHC Maram, construction of office of SDO Lairauching, and infrastructure creation of PHC Maram Kulen. Chief Minister also inaugurated multi-purpose rural development center in Maram Kulen, which was constructed with a cost of 1.5 crore rupees. Speaking further in the conference, which was organized under the theme Towards a Transformed Society, Chief Minister N. Biren said called for unity and integration and to work concertedly towards development of Manipur. Chief Minister also lauded youths in hills for showing interests in education and focusing on their careers instead of getting lured to enticement of drugs and intoxicants. Work Minister Govindas Kontojam, PHED Minister Leshangtem Sushindro, Mao MLA Losotiko, Karong MLA J. Komusha, village chiefs from Maram, leaders of CSOs attended the General Conference.
Sakot pa manadraba, master respect manadraba, izzat tawnadraba manamabu. Aina aigi goda ay mga na aigi superiority complex la iraga satlaba. Pun bayaroi. Pun share gadi give and take. Adudagi na let us go to hills na laubagalo na nai. Madagi ching si satpa horok pa ne. Imung amada singi oiro tamgi oiro imung amada anaba magyar pa matanda madugi anaba dugi layeng na mo na bada. Whatever we earn, akhoi humang mamana hajira suru ka sabo oiro even tolop lopali sing kuntrani pu sabo oiro imung du wire free the treatment tawna na ba sarkar na puthok ina ba her kanda chief minister ki haksel ki tengbang se hoki ben hoji phau ki manung da 280 crore ki mathak da praja sing se free the lying bi gre ba koi senapati da ngasi lai ba pot mayam si yemo force of in sky ni hoji lai ba koi ki multi-storied car parking Imphal da laitri northeast has to accept Guwahati na tran laitri Mayam leaders in the development, I get disturb talk about.